As humans, we all want to live happy and consistent lives. But it seems that day to day, even week to week, our emotions swing in ways that we cannot control. Is religion or spirituality the only path to lasting happiness? Or is there a more scientific and data-driven way to stay balanced and fulfilled in life? My name is Brayden Monroney. I'm a mechanical engineer at Texas Tech and a future business owner. And today I'm talking about the Analytical Digital Diary project. The purpose of this channel is to talk about my resume and different projects I've done on my own while being in college. Go take a look at my resume video. It talks about my resume in a quick and entertaining way. The link is below. Alright, let's get into the project.
What is this project?
So this is an analytic personal diary. Every day you record the date, and then on a scale of 1 to 10, you rate your confidence, productivity, happiness, and any other categories you might want. At the end, you provide a short commentary on how your day was and what you did all day. This program tracks chronologically your good and bad days, so you can go back and see what made your day good, what made your day bad, what is something that works, what is something that doesn't. You can also see what categories correlate. For example, maybe you have high productivity, so you have high happiness, or if you have low confidence and you have high productivity, things like that.
How does the program work?
So this is the initial loop. Alright, so we're going to press run for this. And so this is your analytical digital diary. Write on good and bad days to track what works and what doesn't. Every evening, 6 to 12 p.m., enter in this diary and rate questions 1 out of 10. So the date is the 19th of August. We can say my happiness is an 8. We can say confidence is a 7. We can say productivity was 9. And we'll just write a little bit about our day. So got a lot done at work and played pickleball after work. If you went into the file, you'll be able to see all of your entries, including date, happiness, confidence, productivity, and any other categories you might want, and your comments for the day. So now you can see how your data correlates with each other. So you run this code, and you can see your different data points. So for this one, it's happiness versus confidence. So maybe the more confident you are, the more happier you are. And then for this one, it's happiness versus productivity. So maybe the more you get done, the less happy you are at work. All right? And then you can also see a range of happiness, like how your happiness changes over day and over time. And you can also see a range of productivity. So if you want to get your productivity up, you can try to get that range higher over time. So this project was very helpful to me because I learned data storage and data entry, which is something that I incorporate into a lot of my other projects in the future. I also learned basic loops and functions and how to graph things in Python. I think if I actually tried to develop this and added more features and maybe made it into an app, it could be a great idea and something that could be helpful to a lot of people. Okay, thanks for watching and learning about the Analytical Digital Diary, and I encourage you to reach out to me with any questions or inquiries and check out my other videos and my resume video. All right, have a good one.